This is the Tuckahoe Park stream restoration project, and while everyone has probably noticed a lot of construction work going on at Tucker High School, we are right across the street. This channel has been very eroded and our residents have been losing their property. So all around, this is trying to use sustainable materials that are already on site to create a better stream channel. We started construction in the beginning of 2021, and we're anticipating construction to be complete in August of 2022. Coming in here and kind of digging out our floodplain, lowering elevations, we did have to remove some existing trees and vegetation. And so we will come back probably in the winter of this year, and we are going to plant about 10,000, a little over 10,000 plants to put that sort of forest condition back in place.
Henrico County is good stewards of nature. We are always looking to put back what construction or storms have created over years. And the proper way of doing it is bringing it back to an absolute natural state. It has gone from an overgrown, eroding mess to more of a park-like atmosphere.
What people are going to see is really a more stable channel with a natural stream flowing through it. I've already had some of our residents come out and tell us how wonderful it is that they're not losing their property anymore. It's good for the locality because we're improving our water quality and we are restoring natural systems. This is a great way to accomplish getting back to a more sustainable future.